Attorney, the senator who introduced the idea to remand the impeachment articles to the House of Representatives ay si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. We saw from his SOSE in 2013 that you donated 1 million pesos to his campaign. Are you disappointed that he made the suggestion that eventually led to further delays in the trial?
Yes, I'm disappointed.
May I know your relationship with Senator Alan Peter Cayetano? Why you donated?
I don't know him personally, nor does he know me personally. I just believe in the cause.
At the time?
Yung kanyang panindigan ng panahon na yun. Pero let's just leave it at that.
Ang daming palitan ng akusasyon na unconstitutional yung ginawa ng Senate, unconstitutional yung ginawa ng House. Alin yung tingin niyo yung pinaka-obvious na labag sa konstitusyon?
Yung remand.
Yung remand.
Yung remand. Kasi ang akin pong pakiramdam, by remanding it without any legal basis, put a major stumbling block to move the impeachment trial forward. Kaya ngayon nakabinbin tayo, nakaipit tayo, nakabitin tayo. So dagdag na naman yan na pampahaba, dagdag na delay na naman yan.